Is a real estate team really for me? Hi, I'm Drew Richmond. I'm the team leader and the CEO of the Dave Hook Real Estate Team at Keller Williams of Central PA. If you're like most agents, you didn't know that you had options available to you. You just thought you'd be a real estate agent, serving buyers and sellers, marketing your services, hosting open houses, taking pictures, all of those fun things. Most people think that a real estate team may just be for new agents, but the reality is a real estate team may be a right fit for 3 different types of agents. The first type of agent that a real estate team might be a great fit for is a brand new agent. Those agents are looking for lots and lots of support, one-on-one mentorship. They're looking for leads and appointments and growth and knowledge. They're trying to build a foundation of success in their real estate career. The second group of people that a real estate team might be a great fit for is the agent who is highly productive and burning a candle at both ends. These agents need leverage and efficiency. The third group of agents that a real estate team could be a really great fit for is a seasoned agent who now has a desire to mentor and teach other agents and get compensated for it. You've done the work, you have the knowledge, now it's time to train and teach other people how to have as successful of a career as you have. If you're wondering if a real estate team is for you, reply to this video or give us a call to book your free strategy session today. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you real soon.